So I've made 1.6K from this channel right here, and I'm not going to be posting that often, as you can see. That's because the videos have been made with AI, actually. So in this video, this is one of my channels that I have not really been paying that much attention to, but you can see recently we've been blasting so much content. So this graph is definitely gonna be going up really soon. So in this video, I thought I'd make a video showing you guys how the whole process is automated by AI, how you can enter niches like this completely by AI, and essentially, yeah. Anyway, so it is USD. A lot of people have been asking me to verify. So again, refreshing the page, it's all there. So this is just like a quick tutorial, a quick walkthrough, because everyone thinks it's complicated to generate these videos. It's really not. If you have an attention span, watch this video. I'm going to show you how we make the videos. So first of all, let's go ahead and watch a video. So all we're doing is these are AI avatars. So this person speaking, telling the story right here is AI, okay? She's not real. Right now, $8 billion. So she's not real. Prince, see the scratch. And then I get on that. So she's not real. That's one thing. And then we have D-rolls. D-rolls are footage in between the talking head. This is what illustrates the story, and this is why essentially makes them stick around to watch the video. So let's go ahead and show you what the niche is even about. So it's these new stories. As you can see, this is the AI avatar, and this is the D-rolls in between. This is an example of a competitor. It's another channel of mine, as you can see. It's AI avatar with B-roll. Sometimes would do only B-rolls, but there was a video we made recently that had the AI avatar intro, if I can find which one it was. So as you can see in this intro right there, that person that was looking at the camera, that's an AI avatar, and the rest is just B-rolls. And our AI does this automatically. This is, the channel that we're on right now, as you can see. About AI avatar right there, and they will have B-rolls in between. This is also another channel doing the same thing. These channels are putting upwards of like multiple 5 figures doing this. So now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do that. But before we get into that, if you do want to start off the right way, essentially like what I'm doing outside my channels, this channel was pre-monetized. It was already monetized when I started posting, which means that I won't be posting for free, right? I'll actually be making money once I start posting. So if you do want to go ahead and apply to get a pre-monetized account, not just that, we're going to give you a pre-monetized account. I'm going to give you a list of niches that I'm working right now that I'm invested in personally. I'm going to share the niches with you. You can also invest in these niches alongside me. I'm not just that, you're also gonna get access to the AI system that we use to produce these videos. Now, I'm not going to say that the AI system essentially does every niche, obviously not, but the kind of niches that are pulling views, like these ones, that actually have really good RPMs, making a lot of money, you're going to have access to the tool to generate those videos with AI. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's say you wanted to copy my channel right here. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is take a screenshot. So I'm going to take a screenshot right now of these thumbnails. This is how we're gonna generate our thumbnail. So come over to this right here. So if you're wondering what this is what I just talked about. This is our in-house video factory tool. Now, as much as I would love to make this free to everyone, obviously I can't do that because it costs money to run. It costs money to run these systems. It costs money to run these systems. So I'm not gonna be releasing it for free, obviously. But if you're watching this video and you're going to learn a lot of things, if you don't want to go our route and have us teach you how to use a video factory to do it, if you want to do this on your own, you'll sit and learn something from this tutorial that you can use and apply yourself. That I'm just going to show you what our systems are like. What does it look like for us making the videos behind the scenes, right? So I've just posted the screenshot. This is what's going to be making our thumbnails for us. But now obviously we need a video idea. We need a video idea, and we need a script. We need a title. We need a script. We need a video idea. So now come over here, copy the link of this channel. We're going to go to the video factory. We're going to paste this here. Now all we're doing here is to learn from the videos, learn from how we write our videos, learn from how we write our scripts, what kind of video ideas go more viral than others. So I'm just going to choose 20 videos, but if you're using this and you're, and you're a student with us, I would recommend using 50. But let's do 25 for now. Now I'm going to go ahead and fetch channel data right here. All this is doing is getting the data so it can learn from it so that it can know what kind of video ideas it's going to be giving us. So let's wait for that to happen. So as you can see, it's done. It's generated the views sorted by view count, and it's come ahead and check the likes, everything it needs, essentially. So if you wanted to analyze with Claude to gain like competitive advantage in this niche, you can see do that here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and essentially look at the JSON here. I'm going to go ahead and download it, and then I'm going to import it here. This is if I wanted to save it, I could import it here, but like it's already saved inside put in use. So it's saved inside this preset. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue. So now let's go to video ideas. Let's generate like 5 video ideas for now. Boom. So it's giving us video ideas here. It's giving us 5 video ideas. I'm going to go ahead and copy idea number 1. Now let's go to the titles page, the video idea here. Click generate. Now it's going to give us title options. And it's the title that we're going to use to make our thumbnails. And it's also going to write the script. So once it's writing the title, I'm going to go to the script. I'm going to paste the video idea anyway. Then I'm going to get the title. So let's use this title instead. I'm going to put the title here. And now it writes the script. So you can choose the length that you want for your video. But for now, I'm just going to choose like 3 minutes for the sake of this tutorial, just to show you how our pipelines look like. So we're going to say, write the script. Now we can take our title here, and we can come over to thumbnails. There's the video title here. And we can choose like 4 thumbnails. And let's go ahead and generate. So our script, yep, our script is done. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. So our thumbnail is also kind of done. As you can see right here, you can open it. As you can see, this is literally the type of thumbnails I would make. If you go up here, you can see this as well. And you can generate multiple variants if you don't want, but the title, this is our title right here. Maybe we just chose kind of America. Boom, this is perfect on now. So if you don't want that, you can obviously generate more options. But now that we have the script, we can go over to build the video. Make sure you choose avatar and illustrations. Paste your script here. Again, I'm going to reduce the size of this script just to show you guys how it works. So I'm going to reduce that so it's faster. How long does it take? It takes about 20-ish minutes to make the video. Sometimes shorter depending on the length, but we're just going to choose this for now. I'm going to select our preset. Now, all we have to do is to put our HeyGen avatar ID. So HeyGen is what makes the AI avatar, the talking head guy. So let's go back to HeyGen. I'm going to pick a voice avatar, quick get voice ID, put it here. I'm going to choose an avatar, whichever avatar I want to grow it for. Now, obviously, I'm not going to show you guys the avatars that we use on our channels. Let's say we're choosing this guy. I'm just going to copy this, go back, paste it here. And this ratio dictates how much avatar to B-roll ratio. I usually like to reduce this as much as possible. This way, it's going to give us the lot of B-rolls, which makes the video more engaging. But obviously, some niches have more avatar screen time, so you can go ahead and do that there. But for this niche, it's better to have B-rolls, so I'm going to reduce that to 0.2. Now, you can choose the background. You can choose to put them in the warm office, whatever you want. So I'm going to choose warm office for now. And that's about it. We're going to go ahead and click View to Preview. For now, all we have to do is to just wait for the video to generate. Major power in the world right now is trying to figure out the same thing. Who do you call when America stops picking up the phone? And the answer that keeps coming back is not what anyone expected, $5 trillion. That is the number attached to NATO's new defense commitment. And buried inside that agreement is a story about Canada that almost nobody is telling. Here is what actually happened. When Trump started treating NATO like a subscription service he was thinking about canceling, Europe didn't just panic. It started shopping for a new anchor, for a partner who would show up, for someone whose word meant something in a room full of people who had just watched Washington flip the table. Canada walked into that room at obviously, this is image B-rolls, but if you do want to select video B-rolls instead, we can do that. Only reason I selected image B-rolls is because it's slightly faster. But then again, that's how the full process looks. You have the thumbnails. This is where you generate your video idea. You can see all your video ideas in their history. And obviously you can choose your captions down here. And yeah, that's a quick tutorial on how our pipelines look. Again, if you want to get every monetized account, go ahead and do that here. We have so much sauce, so much more value that you're going to be given, more than just a pre-monetized account. You're going to get you're going to get a pre-monetized account. You're going to get the niche to execute. You're going to get the strategy. You're going to get a full course. And then you're also going to get this video factory tool. Literally no one else is offering that right now. But I am. See you guys in the next video.